Filmator. On this tutorial, we are going to learn more about the contextual bar, which is the component that is sitting at the bottom of the timeline. This bar changes depending on the context that we select. For instance, if we tap on a clip, we will get options for that particular clip, and if we tap on the preview, we will get options for the project aspect ratio. Let's quickly go through the main ones and find out what we can do for each context. Let's select a clip. You can find plenty of options here. Depending on the type of clip, image, video, GIF, text, or audio, you might get different options. As this clip is a video, we can find tools like remove, split, start from the current time, end from the current time, duplicate, or multi-selection. You can get extra context for those options that are showing only an icon by pressing and holding on them, like speed, snap, or fade in /out. If there are more items than the screen can fit, they will be found by scrolling through the bar. For any operation that is time-related, they will apply to the exact current time on which the green line is sitting. For instance, if we want to split this clip at a certain time, we just need to scroll to that point and press on split. Let's see the options when we select a track. Tap on any point on the track that is not a clip, or tap on a clip and find the option Select Track to select its linked track. We can see some options here like Add New Track, Delete, Opacity, or Edit its name. On the right side of the bar, we can find two arrows that will allow us to move the track to the top or bottom of the timeline. If we tap on the preview, we can see the aspect options of this project. We can adapt our dimensions according to our composition needs. Tap on the vertical switch to swap between vertical and horizontal versions of the selected aspect. By tapping on the time ruler, we'll show the ruler preferences. We can choose between time or beats mode. The time mode will simply show the natural duration of our clip, and the beats mode will show you periods of times based on the BPM selected property, which is really useful when trying to get a reference from the times where you should cut or add need clips in order to sync your composition with a song. The last most common context is the footage one. Tap on any footage to show the options on the contextual bar. You can do operations such as creating cuts from the selected media, add to a track, select or deselect all, or even move it to a folder to better organize your footage. Keep in mind that usually you can get similar options to the ones presented on the bottom bar by just pressing and holding on an element or right-click on Mac. We'll cover in more detail every context and its options on future tutorials. See you on next video.